a variant of the Typhoon VDV airborne ammo vehicle equipped with modernized Zu-23 anti-aircraft guns, attracted attention at the Army 2023 International Military Technical Forum. A simulator for training shooter operators was also demonstrated. During the first show, some features of the promising machine and some of its capabilities were revealed. To combat small and light unmanned area vehicles, various means are offered, including small caliber artillery. Right now, the Russian industry is developing such an aircraft defense system, and the old Zu-23 anti-aircraft gun has proven to be the platform of choice. New combat module developed by KEMC concern. It also offers the option a set of new instruments and devices that provide target search and guidance in remotely controlled mode. The combat module can be mounted on different platforms, and the demonstrated model was installed on the Typhoon series ammo vehicle. The new combat module retains the core qualities of the Zu-23 air defense system. At the same time, the installation receives remotely controlled guidance, drives, optical and other means, double boxes of ammunition, etc. Two 23mm rifled automatic guns remain in their place. Their tactical and technical characteristics do not change. KEMC developed the so-called Central Computer System. It is a computer with special software made using elements of artificial intelligence. The system collects information from optical electronic devices, a weather station, etc., processes them and generates data for aiming and firing. There is a traditional control panel and augmented reality glasses. The remote control can be used outside the car. The cable provides operation at a distance of up to 100 meters, a communication radio station up to 2 kilometers. Zu-23 guns can use all existing 23mm shells. In addition, a new shot with a high explosive fragmentation projectile with a programmable fuse is being developed. At a given distance from the gun, the projectile will explode on its own, creating a zone of destruction by shrapnel. The new combat module can be equipped with portable missile systems. In this capacity, the modern product Verba is considered. With its help, the range of fire and reach in height are increased. The Zu-23 anti-aircraft gun was adopted by the Soviet Army back in 1960. By now, this product in its original form is obsolete, but its characteristics can be significantly improved through the introduction of new devices and assemblies. In recent years, the domestic industry has proposed a number of similar modernization projects. With all the technical and combat advantages, the module from the KEMC concern is interesting for its versatility. The possibility of mounting it on the Typhoon armored car has already been shown, and other carriers may be used in the future.